Firefighters on Wednesday confronted persistently strong and dry winds, wheeling two giant wildfires that have terrified Los Angeles for 8 days, testing the resolve of a city upended by the worst disaster in its history. Officials urged residents to remain vigilante and be prepared to evacuate at a moment's notice, with peak wind gusts forecast to last through Thursday afternoon. Some 6.5 million people remained under critical fire threat after the fires consumed an area nearly the size of Washington, D.C., resulting in at least 25 deaths so far, authorities said. The fires have damaged or destroyed more than 12,000 homes and other structures and forced as many as 2 lakh people from their homes. Some 82,400 people were under evacuation orders and another 90,400 faced evacuation warnings as of Wednesday.